Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of defense technology news is Turkey's Baykar secures first export order for Bayraktar Kizilelma combat drones from Indonesia. Turkish defense company Baykar signed an agreement on the 6th of May during the Samachar 2026 exhibition in Istanbul to supply Indonesia with 12 Bayraktar Kizilelma unmanned combat aircraft. The contract was signed with PT Republik Aero Dirgantara, a subsidiary of Republicorp, with deliveries scheduled to begin in 2028. The agreement also includes options for 4 additional squadrons comprising a further 48 unmanned combat aircraft. The Indonesian contract marks the first export agreement for the Bayraktar Kizilelma platform. According to the agreement, the program extends beyond aircraft deliveries and includes the establishment of local production, maintenance, integration and training infrastructure in Indonesia. The arrangement also links the Kizilelma program to broader Turkish-Indonesian cooperation involving the Khan fighter aircraft, missile systems, sensors and autonomous combat technologies. The Bayraktar Kizilelma is equipped with an active electronically scanned array, AESA, radar, internal weapons bays and a developing combat system designed for beyond visual range operations. The aircraft reflects a wider shift towards artificial intelligence-supported loyal wingman operations and concepts of distributed autonomous air combat. The Kizilelma unmanned combat aircraft conducted its maiden flight on the 14th of December 2022 and remains in the testing and development phase. Baykar continues to develop the platform as part of its next-generation unmanned aviation program. The agreement is expected to strengthen Indonesia's long-range deterrence capabilities and support future cooperation between manned and unmanned aircraft in the Indo-Pacific region. The program also represents an expansion of defense industrial cooperation between Turkey and Indonesia in advanced aerospace and autonomous systems technologies. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel please write @Electronics Technology 50.